Welcome to our in-depth review of the Royalton Riviera Cancun, an autograph collection all-inclusive resort and casino. This luxurious getaway in Puerto Morelos, Mexico, promises an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking sun, sand, and top-notch service. Let's dive into what makes this resort a standout destination. First up, let's talk about the accommodations. The Royalton Riviera Cancun offers a variety of room types to suit every traveler's needs. From cozy deluxe rooms to spacious luxury suites, there's something for everyone. But here's where it gets interesting. They've got these amazing swim-up rooms that let you step right from your terrace into a refreshing pool. Talk about living the dream. The rooms themselves are like little slices of paradise, ranging from 30 to 100 square meters. That's plenty of space to stretch out and relax after a day of sun soaking. Now, let's talk amenities. Each room comes equipped with high-speed internet, because let's face it, we all need to post those vacation pics. A 49-inch plasma TV for when you need a break from all that sunshine, and even an MP3 docking station for when you want to blast your vacation playlist. Oh, and did I mention the minibar? It's there, ready and waiting for your late-night snack attacks. The views from these rooms are nothing short of spectacular, with options including ocean, pool, and garden vistas. And if you're feeling fancy, go for one of the suites with butler service. It's like having your own personal Jeeves on vacation. Now let's move on to what might be the most important part of any vacation: the food. The Royalton Riviera Cancun is a foodie's paradise, with a smorgasbord of dining options that'll make your taste buds dance the salsa. First up, we've got Gourmet Marche, a buffet restaurant that's like a culinary world tour. One day you're savoring Italian pasta, the next you're diving into Asian stir-fry. It's a flavor explosion. But wait, there's more. Zen, the Asian restaurant, offers a teppanyaki experience that's part dinner, part show. Watch as skilled chefs flip, chop, and sizzle your meal right before your eyes. It's dinner and a show, folks. For the meat lovers, Hunter Steakhouse serves up premium cuts that'll make you want to kiss the chef. And if you're in the mood for a quick bite, the taco truck by the pool has got you covered. Because let's be honest, is it really a Mexican vacation without tacos? But hold on to your sombreros because we're not done yet. There's a beachside food truck serving up gourmet burgers and hot dogs, perfect for when you don't want to leave the sand. And for the pizza lovers, there's a pizza spot near the kids' club. Because nothing says I'm on vacation like eating pizza in your swimsuit. Now, let's talk about the liquid refreshments. The Royalton Riviera Cancun has bars. Lots of bars. There's a lobby bar for those fancy pre-dinner cocktails, a cocktail bar with a modern Mexican flair, and even a beachfront bar exclusively for Diamond Club guests. But the real star of the show? The pool bar. Swim up, order a pina colada, and live your best vacation life. It's like a scene from a movie, except you're the star. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at this resort. The Royalton Riviera Cancun doesn't just have a pool. It has pools, plural. We're talking multiple infinity pools that seem to melt into the horizon, adult-only pools for when you need a break from Marco Polo, and family-friendly pools complete with water slides. These aren't your average backyard pools either. We're talking pools that range from 10 to 20 meters in length and 1 to 2 meters in depth. That's a lot of splashing room, but the real gem is the beach. Picture this: soft, white sand stretching for about 100 meters, meeting crystal-clear blue waters. It's like something out of a postcard, except you're actually there. And the best part? The beach service. Forget lugging your own towels and struggling with beach umbrellas. The staff here will set you up with everything you need, from comfy lounge chairs to refreshing drinks. It's like having your own personal beach butler. For the more adventurous types, the resort offers a variety of water sports. Fancy a bit of snorkeling? They've got you covered. Want to try your hand at kayaking or paddleboarding? Go for it. And for those who prefer their fun on dry land, there's always beach volleyball. Just remember to apply sunscreen liberally. That Mexican sun can be sneaky. Now, let's talk about activities, because at the Royalton Riviera Cancun, boredom is not in the vocabulary. First up, we've got a state-of-the-art fitness center that's open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. So whether you're an early bird or a night owl, you can get your sweat on. They've got all the latest equipment, from cardio machines to free weights. And if you're not sure what to do with all those fancy machines, don't worry. They offer group fitness classes and personal training sessions. You might even come back from vacation fitter than when you left. But let's be real, you're on vacation. And what says vacation more than a spa day? The resort spa is a haven of relaxation, offering everything from massages to facials to body wraps. Imagine lying on a massage table, the sound of waves in the background as all your stress melts away. It's like hitting the reset button on your body and mind. And with operating hours from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., you can easily fit in a pampering session between your beach time and dinner reservations. For those who like their vacations with a side of excitement, the resort offers a variety of recreational activities. Want to learn how to salsa? They've got dance classes. Interested in mixing up some cocktails? Check out their mixology workshops. And for the competitive types, there are often games and tournaments organized throughout the day. It's like summer camp, but with better food and comfier beds. Now, let's talk about the little ones, because at the Royalton Riviera Cancun, kids are VIPs too. The resort boasts a fantastic kids club for children aged 4 to 12, open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's like a mini paradise within paradise, filled with fun activities that'll keep the kiddos entertained for hours. We're talking arts and crafts sessions where they can unleash their inner Picasso, games that'll have them giggling non-stop, and outdoor play areas where they can burn off all that vacation energy. But it's not just about keeping the kids busy, it's about creating memorable experiences. The Kids Club often organizes special themed days, like pirate adventures or jungle safaris. Imagine your little ones coming back with tales of buried treasure or close encounters with stuffed wild animals. And for the tech-savvy kids, there are even video game stations. Because let's face it, sometimes even in paradise, a kid just wants to play Minecraft. And let's not forget about the teens. The resort hasn't forgotten about those tricky-to-please adolescents. There's a separate teens club with activities geared towards the older crowd. We're talking pool tables, ping pong, and even a disco where they can show off their dance moves or lack thereof. It's a great place for them to meet other teens and maybe even make some vacation friends. But the family fun doesn't stop there. The resort often organizes family-friendly activities that everyone can enjoy together. Think beach volleyball tournaments, sandcastle building competitions, or family movie nights under the stars. It's these shared experiences that turn a good vacation into a great one, creating memories that'll last long after the tan fades. Now let's venture beyond the resort, because as amazing as the Royalton Riviera Cancun is, there's a whole world of adventure waiting just outside its gates. First up, we've got Tulum National Park, just a 30-minute drive away. This place is like stepping back in time. Ancient Mayan ruins perched on a cliff overlooking the Caribbean Sea. Its history and beauty rolled into one Instagram-worthy package. If you're in the mood for some eco-adventure, Xcaret Park is about 45 minutes away. This place is like Mother Nature's playground. Underground rivers, butterfly pavilions, and even a recreated Mayan village. You can swim with dolphins in the morning and watch a spectacular cultural show in the evening. It's like a crash course in Mexican culture and nature, all in one day. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.